In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify and Salesforce. By the end, you'll have a clear path to get the official integration app installed so your stored data can flow into Salesforce. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin and landing on your store's home. This is your control center where you can access everything you need to manage products, orders, and apps. Make sure you're logged into the correct store, especially if you manage multiple storefronts, so the app installs in the right place. Next, open your apps area. Depending on your layout, you can click apps in the left sidebar or go through settings and then select apps. Both paths lead to the same apps management page. Here you'll see what's already installed, and this is also where you'll add new apps to extend your store's capabilities. From the apps page, look for the Shopify App Store button and click it. This opens the marketplace in a new tab where you can browse and install trusted integrations. It's a good idea to confirm you have permission to install apps on this store, and if you're on a team, align with an admin beforehand so approvals go smoothly. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar to look up Salesforce. You're looking for the integration that connects Shopify with Salesforce so you can sync customers, orders, and products. Typing Salesforce will bring up several options. From the results, choose the Salesforce integration specifically labeled eShop Sync or the eShop Sync Bridge. This is the connector designed to bridge data between Shopify and Salesforce. Open the app's listing and take a moment to review the description, supported features, pricing, and recent reviews. Check what objects it syncs, whether it offers real-time or scheduled syncs, and if it supports both production and sandbox Salesforce environments. Verifying compatibility with your Shopify plan and your Salesforce edition now can save time later. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will redirect you to an authorization screen that lists the permissions the app requires. Read these carefully so you understand what data the app can access. If the app includes a subscription, you'll be prompted to approve charges. Confirm to complete the installation. After installation, the app will open inside your Shopify admin and guide you through connecting to your Salesforce organization. You'll typically choose the environment, authenticate securely, and then configure your preferred sync settings. Follow the on-screen prompts and documentation provided within the app. That's it. You've navigated to your Shopify admin, opened the apps area, accessed the Shopify App Store, searched for Salesforce, selected the eShop Sync Bridge integration, and installed it. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing.